Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Time for another budget recipe, and this time it's chili bowls. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. If you've been following along, I've basically been using leftovers to do different recipes. This is no exception. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, it's cheap. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to need is a bowl that's going to be able to go in your toaster oven or regular oven. Some olive spray. If you don't have olive spray, just use some other kind of cooking spray. Coat it. Now, I got leftover mashed potatoes from a different video. So what we're going to do, just kind of put these in here. Now, everything's still hot, or at least warm from the other videos. Just work it up around the bowl, like that. Then I got leftover chili, of course. Just put that in there. Now I'm using a different mic setup for my videos, so let me know what you think. If it sounds better, sounds worse. I know I was wearing that lapel mic with this cell phone, and you kept hearing me breathe a lot. And of course I got leftover cheese. Now remember that your bowl has to be safe for the oven, your toaster oven, whatever. Plenty of cheese. Let's just put the rest on there. There you go. Get rid of all my leftovers. Now I'm going to put this in the toaster oven under broil. Get that cheese good and melted. Now I do have some mashed potatoes left over. I'm going to give those to Blue Dog, who's watching me right now. No, this old Blue Dog didn't eat all his food. He's seen me cooking. Okay, I just took this out of the toaster oven, and this is going to be hot, trust me. So be careful. But you can see what it looks like. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video, hopefully it's helpful. It's a great way just to get rid of all your leftovers. Blue Dog enjoyed his mashed potatoes. Do me a favor, check out the links below. Even if you don't buy nothing, just clicking on the site's help. Hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.